Today, I will teach you to crochet this classic. The pattern of this hat is simple and clear. A flower is increased for decoration. Let's crochet it together with the tutorial. Use Shopple Wall Magic Ball for 0.0 thread. Pass the hook through the thread and make a knot. Then we chain 2 stitches. As the standing stitch for double crochet stitches. Don't count the stitch. Hook the needle through the loop. Bring the thread over 2 stitches back. This is the way to crochet a double crochet stitch. Beginners can mark the first stitch here to make a mark. Okay, hook the needle and thread through. Bring the thread over 2 stitches back. This is the second double crochet stitch. In the first round, we need to crochet 12 double crochet stitches. Double crochet stitches are completed. Tighten this thread. Find the stitch where the marker is. Insert the hook, bring the thread through, and pull it up. In this way, the first round is completely crocheted. Start with 2 chain stitches. As the standing stitches for double crochet stitches. It is required before each round. I won't repeat it. The pattern of the second round is to crochet 12 groups of increased stitches, which means in each stitch, you crochet 2 double crochet stitches. Beginners can't find the stitches. Be sure to mark the first stitch. Okay, this is the second double crochet stitch. This way, the first group is completed. Next, hook the second group in the second stitch. The rest is up to you. Next, crochet the third round. Chain 2 stitches and wrap the hook. In the first stitch, hook a double crochet stitch. In the second stitch, and a double crochet stitch increase. Two stitches in a group. 12 groups in the fourth round. Chain 2 stitches. First, crochet 2 double crochet stitches. And enter the third stitch. And a double crochet stitch increase. In this way, 3 stitches form a crochet 12 groups. On the 5th round, chain 2 stitches. First, crochet 3 double crochet stitches. Then hook an extra double crochet stitch. We crochet 12 groups. So in the next round, we'll crochet 4 double crochet stitches. 1 increase, and then the next round, 5 double crochet stitches and 1 increase. How to decide the size of this increase? After we finish crocheting the increase, put the circle on your head to cover our head. Then the increase is appropriate. We don't need to continue to increase more stitches. Everyone can crochet according to different head and tail. How many rounds to increase stitches? Finish the bottom of the hat. We start to crochet the hat body. The hat body is repeated crochet. We only need to demonstrate 1 row. First, chain 2 stitches. We crochet 3 double crochet stitches. Then we hook an outer double crochet stitch. We pick up the pillar of the 4th double crochet stitch and pick it up. Then pass the hook through this place. And then back to stitches. Complete this double crochet stitch. This is the way to crochet an outer double crochet stitch. So these 3 double crochet stitches, 1 outer hook double crochet stitch is a group. We can just crochet in a loop. Let me demonstrate another set. Okay, let's crochet the outer hook double crochet stitch. Pick up the pillar of this double crochet stitch. Bring the thread over, then back to stitches. This is the way to crochet a double crochet stitch. According to this rule, we can crochet about the 19th row. We have completed the 19 rounds of the hat. Next, we'll crochet the 20th round. Chain 1 stitch and we turn the fabric. Crochet the outer half of the stitch, which is this stitch. Hook the needle around the thread. To make a double crochet stitch. Then we will crochet the last lace. Chain 1 stitch. First, hook a single crochet stitch. Then leave 1 stitch empty. This is a skipped stitch. And crochet 5 double crochet stitches in the next stitch. After completion, we continue to leave 1 stitch empty. That is to say, leave a single crochet stitch 5 double crochet stitches and 1 empty stitch. So these 4 stitches form a group. And we can continue to crochet in a cycle. Okay, let's hook the second group. After leaving a stitch empty, crochet the second group. Leave 1 stitch empty and crochet 5 double crochet stitches. Then continue to leave 1 stitch empty. Then crochet the third group of patterns in the next stitch. Complete this round according to this pattern. And then our hat is done.